All right, today I have a new product that I purchased. As you can see, this is a 10-pack of Paracord keychain. Now, I'm using these for something completely not normal, as I'm using these to hang some LED lights that I've put on some yardsticks to be able to DJ with. But most people would use these to put stuff on their book bag or something. Let's open it up. And inside of here, I'll have 10 identical, that's it for in there, of these paracords. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each one's individually wrapped. That's kind of cool. And then the reason that I needed these was they would be stationary. They wouldn't fall. They wouldn't, you know, they're not going to go anywhere. So they're going to hold my LED lights up how I want. And also this little clip makes it nice and easy to hopefully be able to put these on what I need to put them on, and then they'll be able to hang on the other thing. So this is essentially what they look like. As you can see, they're very short and you know, great for just hanging stuff on your book bag, and you get a whole 10-pack of these in this box. So that'll do it for this little unboxing to show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.